What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a pretty interesting video because I'm going to be showing you how to buy Safemoon coin. Now again, if you don't know anything about Safemoon, pretty much you could do a little research, but it's a very volatile coin that I'm going to be that you honestly can't buy simply on Coinbase or crypto.com or Gemini or literally anywhere. So there's a little process that you have to go through, and this is what I'm going to be doing in this video. I promise it's going to be very simple, and I did go through some errors on my own that I'm going to be discussing, so that you, again, if you're interested in buying Safemoon coin, pretty much after this video you're going to be able to buy it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. So this video will be going through a lot of details, so again, it might not be the quickest or the fastest one, but I will be going through step by step, and I want to go a little more slow for those of individuals who are not very familiar with the process. So again, if you do want to just jump into the good stuff and to actually buying SafeCoin, I'm going to leave a timestamp somewhere here below, on the screen, so that you guys can just jump into the process of buying SafeCoin. But if you're not familiar with Trust Wallet, if you're not familiar with Binance Coin and all that stuff, so I would honestly recommend you watch the full video. So with that, before we begin, I also want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor, and I would not recommend you buy this sort of coin or any sort of cryptocurrency unless you're willing to take the risk and really consider it lost, because your money could be gone in, pretty much a minute. So with that being said, we're going to go and start by going to the App Store, and we're going to type in Trust Wallet. We're going to download this application that you guys can see on the screen called Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. Now, once we do that, I personally use crypto.com. We're going to go ahead and pretty much see, I'm going to go and search for my wallet ID. Now, as you guys can see, this is where I trade, and maybe another day in another video, I'm going to do a summary of my coin and holdings. But this is the coin that we need to purchase. So Binance Coin or BNB coin is what you need to do. So in this case, I already have one coin, or one of these coins. It's worth $500. So I'm actually going to go ahead and transfer this coin to my new wallet that I'm going to be creating at Trust Wallet. You guys can already see that I do have a Trust Wallet already because I already did this before. But for the sake of this video and to show you guys step by step, I'm going to be doing this again. So once we have downloaded the Trust app wallet, I'm going to go ahead and create a new wallet. So you're going to go ahead and click, I agree and all that stuff. And pretty much it's going to ask you, or it's going to provide you with a seed phase or recovery phase. Right here, I'm going to blur out the screen so you guys can't see, the recovery phase, because this is obviously how people can access to your wallet. And if people access to your wallet, obviously they can transfer the money to another wallet and then you lose all your money. So they don't recommend you screenshotting it. They don't recommend you recording it or anything. You want to keep it in a place that's safe. Ideally, you want to memorize it, but if you don't have a good memory, you could just write it on a piece of paper and hold it in a safe. Now, with that being said, Trust Wallet is going to make you type in the whole recovery phase step by step, again, the whole phase in order to make sure that you have written down and that you could recover it so that you have access to your money. Again, keep in mind that if you don't recover, if you don't have this recovery phase, you pretty much won't be able to access that money. Now, as long as you have the application Trust Wallet, with you, or your phone with you, you can still access your money without having to type in the recovery phase. However, you don't want to get into the position where you just lost your phone broke, you need the recovery phase, and then once you're asked for it, you can't type it in. But anyways, now that we have Binance right here, I'm going to click on receive, and it's going to give me a wallet ID. Keep in mind that you want to make sure right here, Binance, at least for Trust Wallet, it says no memo required. And you only want to send Binance to Binance currency. If you're sending Bitcoin to Binance, if you're sending it, you might lose that money. So again, very, very important right here. We're sending Binance coin, which is BNB. We already have a wallet ID. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. And then on memo, if you guys remember, it said no memo necessary. So I'm just going to check mark the no memo required. And I'm just going to name this wallet YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and accept and I'll, continue. Now I'm gonna have to go and verify this for crypto.com. They double check on, making sure that I'm trying to add a new wallet because they don't want just some random guy transferring all my money out, right? So once we do that, we have finally, I'm gonna kind of refresh this and you guys will see my YouTube wallet. So now I'm gonna go ahead and send some money to my new YouTube wallet I just created. I'm gonna send some $50 to this wallet. It's gonna charge me a small fee, somewhere around $2. But honestly, I don't wanna, because again, I wanna test it and I recommend this to you guys. If you're testing this out, do small amounts first. You don't wanna be doing something wrong and then you accidentally send $1,000, $2,000 and they're lost, so very important. If you're typing the wrong wallet ID, if you're typing all these things, could alter the result. So in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and update. Obviously it's not gonna be as fast, but within some minutes, you guys will see that my Binance coin will arrive. In the meantime, we do have to work on adding Trust Wallet browser. So again, I'll leave a link in the description below where you could just click on it. However, in the video right here on my phone, you guys will see that you have to type in trust, / browser _ enable. In this case, nothing came up, only Google results. I tapped on this link right here after the Google results referred me to a different website. And now at the bottom, you guys can see I have a browser. So we need that because we're gonna be using in an actual website through the Trust Wallet app in order for us to buy Safemoon. So the other thing that we're going to be needing is the Safemoon contact address. So Safemoon contact address could just be found. Also, I'm going to leave it in the description below, but you can find it here and it should start with 8076. I'm just copied it right now. And we're going to go ahead and click on the filters on the top right and we're going to add a custom coin. We're actually going to click Smart Chain and we're going to paste that code, that contact address, and you guys will see that it pre-populates Safemoon. So now we're ready to actually show the Safemoon coin on our wallet. This only allows the Safemoon coin to be shown on Trust Wallet. If you don't do this step and you buy the Safemoon, you'll still have ownership of the coin. However, you won't see it in your wallet. Now that we got our Binance coin, you guys saw the notification. Now we're gonna go to PancakeSwap and we're gonna go into our pretty much this PancakeSwap and we're gonna be buying Safemoon. Now in this case, you have to make sure that Binance right here, I did not do this step, but you do have to swap Binance to Smart Chain coin. So again, you cannot be buying Safemoon unless you have Smart Chain. So I went ahead and swapped it. Again, it says it's gonna take 2 minutes or some minutes. It's pretty instant. So right now, if I refresh it, taking a little bit of time, but now I got my swap coin or swap chain, right? So we're gonna go ahead now to PancakeSwap. You're gonna see that you should have a balance. So if you see balance here of 0, you're doing something wrong. You wanna go back and double check. Now we're gonna go ahead and type Safemoon. Keep in mind that if you're selling eventually this coin, you will be subject to a 10% pretty much fee. And also make sure you're typing your 12% tolerance rate. Right now in the video, you guys will see I actually did not type that tolerance rate. And the only thing that happens here is that it'll just mark an error. So again, I confirmed the swap, but my tolerance rate was 0.25%. And so you see, I'm getting this error. And as I was doing this, I was like, what the heck is going on? Like, why am I not able to do this? I thought it could have been my balance. I thought it could have been something else. It wasn't until I realized that it was my, that percentage that you're supposed to update to 12%, and I was like, oh, okay, that's why. So again, you pretty much type the amount you want to buy from swap coin into Safemoon currency, and pretty much that's it, guys. I mean, right now, again, I'm understanding all these terms and conditions again because I had to do this again because I kind of refreshed it, and you see, you have to put the slip page tolerance percent to 12%. So in this case, I miscalculated the actual balance I had, so I didn't add the 0. Again, little mistakes like these will just make you cringe because you'll be like, oh my God, why is it not working? What's going on? So just be very careful. Make sure that you have all the things that you want. Again, right here, I did not realize that it was still out of the tolerance rate. And so it wasn't until later that I realized like what's going on? Why is it not working? And so I'm gonna speed up here in a moment. And okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and type the tolerance rate. We're gonna change this from 0.8% to 12% because again, the coin is very volatile. So you wanna leave enough cushion there so that in case the currency changes, you still can buy it. And so now you're gonna type in Safemoon. You're gonna go ahead and understand those fees. And you're gonna go ahead and click swap. It's gonna give you a summary. And then finally, you're gonna be able to see this confirmation page, which you just go ahead and click OK. After you do that, you can exit the browser and now you should update and you should be able to successfully see your 1.7 million coins of Safemoon, which is ridiculous. And that's it, guys. I mean, this is literally how you can buy Safemoon. Now, again, if you do have some questions about how to buy Safemoon, how to, I really don't know much about Safemoon just yet. I'm only putting probably like 200 bucks on Safemoon just because it's so hyped up. But if you guys do want to test out if it works, feel free to leave a wallet or your wallet address for Safemoon below on a comment section. Make sure that you like and subscribe my channel, and I'll be sending 1,000 coins of Safemoon to every wallet address I get for up to the first 20 people. So, I mean, it's not like I'm going to be doing this for a long time. And I'm also going to stop doing that until May 1st, so again, make sure that you type in that wallet address ID and I'll be sending some Safemoon. Again, this is how you would get your Safemoon code or wallet ID. Just share that with me and I'll be sending some Safemoon to you. And again, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, or if you're running into some questions, please let me know. A very common question or problem I had was, how am I able to buy that Binance coin? In my case, I was already trading with crypto.com and that's where I bought my coin. But when I was trying to buy it through Trust Wallet, it wasn't letting me. I was typing in my credit card, I was typing in my debit card, I was typing in all sorts of cards, and it just wasn't letting me buy the Binance code, the Binance coin, which was very annoying. And so at the end, I resorted to a little bit more kind of thinking outside the box and saying, hey, you know what? I already have a coin in my crypto.com wallet. How about I just withdraw that to my Trust Wallet ID? And that's how I ended up doing it. However, if you want to give it a shot, download Trust Wallet, buy Binance Coin through Trust Wallet, and if it goes through, great. And if not, I would recommend using your current exchange or the current place where you currently buy Binance Coin or your coins, and then transferring that to Trust Wallet so that you can go ahead and buy Safemoon. Very important. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again next time. Peace.